In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to organize tasks, track progress, or manage teamwork, switching between views can make it much easier to see your information in the format that works best for you. Depending on what you need to do, you might want a more visual layout or a more structured list-style layout. The good news is that changing the view is very quick and only takes a couple of clicks. To get started, go to your plan board in Microsoft Planner. This is the main area where your tasks are displayed and where you can manage the plan you want to work on. Make sure you've opened the correct plan before changing anything, especially if you have access to multiple boards. Once you're on the board, take a moment to look at the current layout so you can easily notice the difference after switching views. Next, look for the view options near the top of the planner interface. You'll see an option such as Grid, along with any other available views. Click on Grid if that's the layout you want, or choose your preferred view, depending on how you want to review your tasks. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Planner will update the display and show the same plan in that new format. This is helpful because different views support different ways of working. For example, one view may be better for scanning tasks quickly, while another may help you focus on details, deadlines, or overall structure. If you're collaborating with others, changing the view can also make it easier to present information in a way that's more useful for the conversation you're having. If you don't see the exact layout you expected right away, give the page a second to refresh and then confirm that the view has changed. You can always switch back again using the same area at the top, so feel free to try different options until you find the one that fits your workflow best. And that's all there is to it. Open your Microsoft Planner plan board, click on Grid or another preferred view, and your task layout will change instantly. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.